It seems like every time I'm on the road, I get behind one of these. And being that I seen Final Destination 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, I think I'm gonna slide on over here. Cause not today. And not tomorrow neither. So this is a quick trip me and the kids took back home to Beaufort. The first thing that we did, of course, was go to the waterfront park. It's so beautiful out here, and I took advantage of it. I took it for granted when I lived there, and now I miss it. It's so beautiful out here. It's just peaceful, so serene to be next to the water. The kids enjoy walking out there, looking at the boats, and it's just a nice, beautiful place to be. So if you ever touch down in Beaufort, South Carolina, make sure you stop at the waterfront. The water moving told, of course. We made it to my mama's house, and why we decided to play this, I don't know, but this is how it went. There you go. Stop cheating.
No, mama, it ain't spinning.
You're cheating.
No, it ain't spinning.
There you go.
I'm not eating it.
Go. Pomegranate or old Band-Aid.
No, mama, I didn't get that one.
Yes, you did.
Mama, I did not get that one.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, pomegranate.
Mm-hmm. Lucky you. Go, Jay.
Let me see.
Which one's that?
Let me see.
Pomegranate.
What is it? This one?
It's either pomegranate or an old Band-Aid.
It was.
Eat it.
We got.
Oh my gosh.
Got the old Band-Aid.
Juicy pear. It's either going to be juicy pear or a booger. Please be juicy.
Sleepy booger. It's juicy pear booger. It's booger. It's booger.
And of course, I couldn't go there and not get no blue crab. Oh my gosh, I missed them already. Thank y'all for watching the video. Bye.